means learning to appreciate the small steps, like saying, I'm not where I want to be at, but I'm learning something new today, or I'm not there yet, but I'm further than when I started. That's still progress, and that's worth celebrating. Uh, okay, guys. Next, I don't know what I want to talk again. What? So, guys. So, if right now your journey feels slow, don't be too hard on yourself. Maybe life is preparing you, teaching you patience, resilience, and strength before giving you what you asked for. Because the process is not just about waiting for results. It's about becoming someone who is ready for them. Okay, guys, take your time, enjoy the easy middle, even when it feels uncertain, even when no one else seems to notice, because one day, the future, you will look back and say, I'm glad I didn't give up. So yeah, enjoy the process. It may not be easy, but that's what makes the results so much more meaningful when they finally come. Uh, and next, I want to talk about, yeah, I think, not I think, I hope my little motivation, my little motivation can make change in your life. Maybe only this my finish at my video. I I don't know what I want to talk about on this vlog. So this is my struggle for my making a vlog. My vlog stuck in I forget. My vlog is stuck and I must making vlog cause I must to run to vlog. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.